Hello guys, this is Silva here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys another powerful boom and crash strategy that you can use to grow your small account. So without wasting much of our time, I'm going to quickly share with you guys the indicator setup. Then after that, I'll be explaining how the strategy works. Okay, so the first thing we have to do here is to click on this F icon. After clicking on that, you search for your relative strength index, which is the first indicator we have here, right? Now you click on the main window plus icon, you search for your relative strength index, right? These are the properties. The period is 1, apply to its close. The level, you make it 85 and 15, color red, 4 pixel, you click on done. Alright, now the time frame is all time frame. The style, you make it the color of your background, right? You make it black and you make it 1 pixel. After that, you click on done. Now the next indicator we have here is the envelope, right? Now you search for your envelope, you click for the indicator window 1, this one right here, and then you search for the envelope. Now these are the properties for the envelope. The period is 14, shift is 0, deviation we have 0.001, method is simple, apply to its close, right? The level, you leave it as it is, time frame is all time frame. Now the style, the upper bound, all right, under the style, the upper bound is the color white, 3 pixel. The lower bound is color white, 3 pixel. All right, after that, you click on done. Now the next indicator we have here is a moving average, as you can see. Now you click on the indicator window 1 plus icon again, you search for your moving average, right? The period is 5, shift is 0, method is exponential, apply to its close. The level, you make it, the level, you leave it as it is, time frame is all time frame. Now the style, you make it color blue, 3 pixel, and you click on done. Right, now for the indicator window 2, you are to search for your awesome oscillator. Alright, so before you search for the awesome oscillator, you click on the indicator window 1 plus icon, then you search for your awesome oscillator. Right, now these are the properties. Alright, you can use the default setting if you like, right? So after this, you click on done. The next indicator we have here is the relative strength index, which we are using for our levels. Now you click on the indicator window 2 plus icon, you search for your relative strength index. All right, you use the same setting as the first one. All right, so you copy everything here as it is and then you click on done. Now the last indicator we have is moving average, right? You click on the indicator window 2 plus icon again, then you search for your moving average, right? These are the properties. The period is 1, shift is 0, method is simple, apply to its first indicator's data. Now the time frame is all time frame. Under the style, you make it color blue, 3 pixel, and you click on done. So once you have set everything correctly, as I've just explained, you are going to have a screen like this one here. All right, now before I explain how the strategy works, I'll be reminding you guys about the powerful boom and crash strategy, the VIP boom and crash strategy for growing as little as a $5 account. All right, this is a strategy designed for growing small accounts. Okay, so if you are a beginner and you have been blowing your account, all right, you should come for this strategy. All right, so if you're interested, you check the description of this video. You're going to see my WhatsApp contact there. Make sure to message me and we'll discuss on how you get the strategy, right? So that is that about that. Back to this strategy right here. Now, how does this strategy work? All right, it's a very simple strategy. We use it to scalp the boom and crash market. All right, now there are a few conditions you need to follow in order to have a perfect entry with this strategy and to make profit on daily basis. Okay, so this is what you do. The first condition is that you want to see a spike in the market, right? So once there is a spike in the market, you check your indicator windows, both the indicator window 1 and in the indicator window 2. All right, so here on the indicator window 1, you want to see the blue and the white at the oversold level, which is the 15 level, and same on the indicator window 2, you want to see your awesome oscillator at the oversold oversold level. All right, these two indicators, they need to be in agreement with each other. All right, they must be in agreement with each other. All right, in a case where the awesome oscillator is at the oversold and the moving average and the envelope here is not at the oversold level, then you should not take any entry. All right, both of them needs to be in agreement with each other, just like you are seeing here. All right, so once you have confirmed this, the next thing is that you want to see that this awesome oscillator, initially when it will be touching the oversold level line, is going to be red, right? Then you are going to observe that it will start changing to green. All right, so once it starts changing to green, right, the awesome oscillator is going to start changing to green first before the moving average cross on the indicator window 1. All right, so once this one starts changing to green, all right, that's the first observation you should wait for. Now the second one is that you want to see this blue line crossing above the white line on the indicator window 1 here. All right, so you want to see this blue line here crossing above the white line. All right, so once you have seen the crossing happen, all right, immediately you see the crossing happen, immediately the line crosses, you can see this is the area where it crosses, right? So around this area, you go into the market, you pick 5 candles, right? You pick 5 good candles and you exit the market. All right, now in my videos you always hear me say 5 candles. All right, you can pick more than 5 candles if you want. You can pick up to 10-14 candles, but the safest is 5 candles. All right, you know the market, they do always manipulate it. All right, there are times where the strategy will work and there are times where it will not work. All right, in order to avoid any spike, you take 5 candles. All right, it's safer you take 5 candles. All right, I've observed in the market that with 5 candles you can make profits. All right, the strategy will work more consistently than when you are taking up to 10 candles. All right, so if you are taking 5 candles, you are going to be more safer in the market. All right, using this strategy. Okay, so what I want you guys to do now is to backtest the strategy. All right, make sure to backtest it and see that it's working for you perfectly before you can deposit your money to trade with the strategy. Okay, don't just take my words for it. All right, I'm not the market maker. All right, so make sure you do the testing yourself, backtest and see that the strategy is working for you, then you can start trading live with your hard-earned money. Okay, so that is it, guys. If you know you are a new viewer coming across my channel for the first time, please make sure to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a powerful strategy like this, you get notified immediately. Okay, and to my returning viewers, you are all welcome back. So I think that is going to be all, guys. I'll be seeing you in the next video. Thanks for watching. See you over.